Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on the channel today. It's Sunday and we have a great video for you guys today. As you can see, we have the Evee tin to open. So I purchased this from Amazon on Friday. It cost me around £30. So yeah, we're gonna open this in just a second. Yeah, and it says on the front, packed with Pokemon treasures, 3 foil cards featuring Vaporeon, Jolteon, and Flareon, 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and much more. And that is what we got. And it actually says on the side, it says Pokemon Trading Card Game Collector's Chest. Includes the booster packs, the 3 foil cards, a cool Pokemon coin, 4 coloured sticker sheets, a mini portfolio to store your favourite Pokemon cards in. Can't wait to have that. A notepad and a code card for the online feature. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up with my knife. Do it like that. Gonna just move the camera a bit back. There, guys. Push it up a little bit so you guys can see. There we go. Okay, that's my light just fell. My light can actually stay down there now. It's good enough light anyway. That sucks. Okay. It'd be nice to have one of these tins. I've been actually looking forward to getting one of these. So, put that there. And this right there. Wow, that looks amazing. So we have Evee on the front and on the side, then we got the trio on the back. Wow. Alright, let's do it. Let's open this tin up. Oh wow. That coin looks so amazing. And the cards, wow. Looking awesome. Alright, let's take a Flareon out first. So, these are 2020. We got a few white ticks on the top, on the corners, if you guys can see that. And on the bottom. So yeah. Alright, let's get... So with my other tins, I do have some pockets. So we're gonna get a few of these out. If I can. Place them in here. Yeah, that's looking nice. We have Vaporeon as well. Wow. There's no tears on this one, there's a scratch just by there, or a dent. But overall, it's a lovely card. Jolteon. Oh wow, this one's a bit... got a few white ticks on the top. Nice card. Very nice card. yes. So we got these 3. Wow. Beautiful trio. Very nice. I can actually stick these just by here. And next we have is the coin. We have an Evee coin. Wow, that's amazing. I really like the color on there, like how big it is. Yeah. I'm gonna stick that by there. And now we have the packs. I'm gonna do the cards or the packets at last, guys. Here is the code card. If you want to pause this video, feel free to do so. Do so. My bad about that. There's the tin gone. So let's place that by there. We have some stickers. We have the trio there. I'm going to place them actually back in there. We have Evee. Oops. We have Vaporeon and Jolteon. And we have Flareon and Evee. So they're pretty cool. And we have a little notepad, so that's pretty cool. I can start doing some writings on here and writing what I need next to do some of these videos. Right, and we have is this little booklet. I'm gonna open this up. So yeah. Like probably about 20 pack or 20 card pack in here. But good thing is I got quite a lot of Eevees now and Vaporeons and Jolteons and Flareon, so I'm gonna stick all them in this and keep that on the shelf. Well, I like these little booklets, they're super cool. So yeah. So let's get down to the packs, guys. So we have 5 packets. We have Vivid Voltage, Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield, Chilling Rain, and another Chilling Rain. Okay, so for Chilling Rain, we got Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, we got Vivid Voltage. We're going to start with the Vivid Voltage first. That is a green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Wash Energy, Charmeleon, Pinachin, Wishmer, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, a Reverse Hollow Stone Energy. Wow. And we have Quagsire. Not too bad card. Didn't pull anything really good. Except for the it won't go in. Ah, there we go. Next one is, we're gonna do a Chilling Rain, because we have 2 of them. We do. Green and white code card this time, guys. One, two, three, four. Who is at that door? Steel Energy. Okay. Crabber Noble. Spiral Energy. Wow, that's the first one I've ever had. Trainer Honey. Boon Sweet. Fairthrow. Diglett. Lavasta. Inkay. Reverse Hollow Agatha. The last card is... Oh my god, we got something good, guys. Okay. You guys ready for this? Ooh! Hell yeah! Tornadus VMAX. Wow. Dang, that's such a brilliant card. Let's have a look at the back. Wow. That's a beautiful card. Wow, look at that. Wow, so we pulled something really good. Remember guys, we got 3 more packs to go. Can we pull another VMAX or V? Okay, let's just get these cards out of the way. Ah, I forgot to put Agatha in a sleeve. So just put that by there. Alright, next card we're gonna go with is Sword and Shield. I haven't done a Sword and Shield pack for ages. Green and white code cards. Oh crap. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Bishop. We have Salazar. We have Evolution Essence or Incense. We have Rhyhorn. We have Chuto. Cottonee. Clobbopus. Yampa. A Fracky Reverse Hollow. And ooh, a Rainbow Hollow Professor's Research. Wow. So we pulled these 2, not too bad. Very nice cards. Put these in sleeves as well. There's Professor's Research there. And put this one just by there. Okay. Alright, next one we're gonna go with, guys, is Rebel Clash. Then we're gonna keep the Chilling Rain for last. We have a green code card. Yep, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's at the door this time? Steel Energy. Tranquil. Pelipper. Bronzone. Coughing. Bronzer. Toxel. Lip break. Lotad. Ooh, Heli Potile, reverse hollow. And a Dixabee. Just normal. Not too bad. Alright, we're coming down to the last pack now, guys. We pull another VMAX or a V. That's gonna be awesome. Alright, let's just get these cards out of the way a minute. This one feels quite thick. Let's do it. Can we do it? Can we pull another VMAX? Ow. Alright, green and white code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, before we start this, we think we're gonna get, I hope we get another VMAX. That would be awesome. That VMAX in the middle right there, such a beautiful card. Alright, let's do it. Wish me luck. Metal Energy, Peony, Galarian Chestplate, Caitlyn, Scorbunny, Diglett, Golett, Dealing, Sneasel, Snova, reverse hollow. Ooh, and a Galarian hollow Slowking. Not too bad cards actually. It's a shame that we only pulled one VMAX, but I'm actually happy with this tin. Brilliant box, or brilliant chest to keep now. But I think this is the best card we just pulled. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Hit that like button, follow my Instagram, that will be in the start of this video. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and good luck to everyone who will try and pull a VMAX, and I'll see you in the next video.